Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Space tape is an ultra-strong adhesive tape designed for demanding repairs and seals. It bonds instantly to metal, plastic, and fabric with an aggressive tack. The tape resists temperatures from -40 degrees F up to 400 degrees F without losing adhesion or flexibility. Expect holding strength rated to 50 pounds per inch under static load for short durations. Use a 2-inch width for typical automotive and household repairs, and trim to fit odd shapes or corners for a flush finish. Proper surface prep ensures the tape performs its specification and avoids premature failure. Begin by cleaning with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth, then dry the area completely. For glossy plastics and painted metal, roughen lightly with 120 grit sandpaper to improve mechanical grip. Remove dust with compressed air or a dry brush before applying. Do not use oils or greasy cleaners. Wait 10 minutes after cleaning for solvents to evaporate fully and for the surface to cool. Apply space tape with steady, firm pressure to activate the adhesive and remove air. Press along the tape for about 30 seconds per inch using a roller or a firm tool. Overlap seams by 1/2 inch to ensure continuous sealing and avoid gaps at edges. Do not stretch the tape while applying because wrinkles reduce adhesion and cause stress points. The tape reaches initial handling strength in about 10 minutes and develops a full bond over 24 hours at room temperature.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.